can use item indenting to make your schedule easier to navigate and create special parent and child items. Let's go over examples and the differences of each. Use the Indent Item button here on the ribbon toolbar to indent selected items. Indenting under a text-only item, that is an item without a quantity, makes the text-only item a header item, as indicated by this icon in the information column. We can now click here to collapse all the sub-items into the header item. This makes a long schedule easier to navigate and doesn't alter the items or what information is displayed in the submission schedule. You'll also see an automatic sum of the estimated total of all the items here. Note this will include only the indented items that are included in calculations. Indenting items under a contributing item creates a special relationship called parent and child items. This is useful when you would like to break down a complex item into smaller, more repeatable items. Each child item may be priced individually. When you collapse the parent item, the sum of the estimated total of all the child items will be added to the estimated total of the parent item. This will then be divided by the parent's quantity to calculate the estimated rate. You could take this a stage further by having multiple levels of indenting within child items, and even include header items. Only the parent item, highlighted in green, will appear on the submission schedule, attract spread, and have a sell rate and total calculated for it. You may outdent indented items by using the Outdent button on the ribbon toolbar. If the selected items are at the same indenting level, you may outdent multiple items at once. For more information, check out the related tips and tricks video and knowledge base article that we've linked below this video.